Alright, hey guys, so we just actually got a new pile of dirt here, and we're down in Florida, and the subsoil here in Florida is very sandy, but we have a nice soil deposit just down the road where we get this nice clay-rich soil. So this is just a combination of silt and sand and clay. It's a little low on the clay side down here in North Florida, but it's enough. It works. And this is the base raw material that you need if you want to do any kind of earth construction project, whether that's cob, rammed earth, earthen plaster, adobe. It all comes from this base material, and it's really just how you process and construct using this material to get different results. So I want to just kind of quickly show you some examples what we've done here on this site. Here we have a cob cottage. And so the walls here are about 20 inches thick, completely constructed out of cob. That same material back there in the pile, plus an aggregate. And so we built these walls just with that dirt, just to give you an example. Now on the outside of the wall you see it's a bit smoother. So again, we used the same dirt, we just processed and refined it more to create this earthen plaster that we could render over the rough cob wall. And then back here, we have a small example of rammed earth. So this was actually a sample we did about 2 months ago, and we left it out under the weather just to kind of see how it would do as far as erosion. It's actually done really well. You can sort of see the different layers, but it's compacted dirt. Basically, you take that dirt from the pile, you compact it into a form, and this is the result. So actually in a couple weeks we have a workshop here on this site. We're going to be building these rammed earth posts. They're going to be about 6 feet tall, and we're going to be building a whole courtyard area on the back of this cottage. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a link below. But in this video I just wanted to kind of show you what you can do with that base raw material. It's just dirt. I mean, it's everywhere, and you can do a lot of amazing things with it. So if you're interested in learning more about how to construct with earth, check out my video courses, check out my workshops. I've got a lot of free stuff on my website, thiscobhouse.com. Just go through my videos here on YouTube as well. Got a lot of good information. So yeah, I hope that helped you out, gave you some value, some stuff to think about, and I'll see you in the next video.